Welcome friends. Today in this video I am going to demonstrate you the Python basics program. So I have installed that is ideal Python 3.1464 bit. So you can also install this ID, and once you write here, this is a first program in the Python. Print, okay, bracket on, and you just write hello world, okay, inverted comma close, bracket close, semicolon, and press enter. So hello world is that. And another program, print, bracket open, welcome to my tutorial. Welcome to my Python tutorial. So here see what is written. Name print is not defined. Okay, name print is not defined. Why it's not defined? Because see here I have just written in the capital one. So because it is a case sensitive, so when I write in here print and just copy paste all this above thing, so it will not provide you error. Okay, welcome to my Python. So it is a case sensitive also Python. So you can also learn this. So I am just moving to the slide that is PT. So it is very useful for you to see because I have used the gamma in order to generate this PPT, but all the points is for mine itself. So we'll definitely uh, going to learn the points and everything. So we will move to the PPT one from the beginning itself. So I will just going to say every line and line by line. After that, I was just going to say explain you the point in English. So if you are having comment related to any doubts or queries, please type in the comments. Please watch this tutorial from beginning to end. If you have any questions, please write in the comment section. I will definitely going to write in the comment section your reply to your questions, and I will just sort out your problems. And you have also a live section. Also, I will going to uh, give you the live session also, so you can also learn from them also. But this recorded session, just first of all read this thing, understand this thing. At least some idea will be coming to your mind. So this is a free courses, so there is no any charge for me. Nothing is that. So you can having an internet connection, you can learn from this. So now I'm going to start the tutorial. So what is Python tutorial? So Python is a popular programming language which is used on the server to create the web application. See, Python is a popular programming language because it is replacing C++, Java, C Sharp, every programming language. Okay, so and it is used in the web application, just like Amazon, Flipkart, all the thing their e-commerce platform, they are using the web application for their businesses. And it was created by Guido van Rossum. Okay, and it was released in the year 199. It is used for web development, that is a server side. It is used for the software development work. Software development one, it is used for creating the application because many AI right now are built in the Python. You can understand. Like Netflix is also there, even though Pinterest is also there. Google is also using Python. So it is used in mathematics and system script. Mathematics means if you want to do something, mathematical calculation, mathematical problem solve, so it can be used. Okay, because AI is right now replacing all the teachers. Okay, just write on the AI, that is artificial intelligence, just like Chat GPT, DeepSeek, and Grok for your solutions and all, whether it is related to the mathematical programming, anything. And system scripting is used for the automation work. So if you don't want to work, just automate using the script that is Python, Perl, Bash programming, and you can just enjoy everything. You are having automation works because automation works require some stronger technical skills of yours. Once you have achieved the strongest technical skills, you're definitely going to build an automation. After building automation, there is nothing to worry about, nothing to worry because all the definitely will going to deliver at the time as compared to the IT person. So the IT companies are also doing the layer which is AI, Python, machine learning, and data science, all the things. So what is the use of Python? Python it is can be used on the server for creating a web application. It frameworks like Django and Flask are used for web development. It can be used with the software for creating workflows. Workflows means systematic orders of work. Okay, one can say that. It can connect to the database base system for reading and modifying the files. Okay. So you know already database. You can import the data into the database or you can export the data into the database. Okay. So you can send the data, you can pull out the data from the data. The simpler English language one can say that. It is used for handling the big and complex data and perform the complex mathematics operation. It is used for rapid prototyping of production software development as ready. It is used in desktop application with UI framework like Twitter and PyQuity. It is used in data science for doing data analysis and library like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib are used. It is used in machine learning and AI such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Skyline. It is used in automation and scripting, which is used for to automate repetitive tasks. It is used in game development and libraries, which is used in Pygame. It is used in web scraping and tools such as Beautiful Soup and Scraping. It is used in cyber security for the work of penetration testing and ethical hacking tools. It is used in DevOps and cloud, which is for automation scripts and API. It is used in Internet of Things like MicroPython and Raspberry Pi. Variable types, which is determined at runtime, which help in simplifying the code writing. Beginner learning experience, you can start making simple project while learning the Python basics because this code is very simple, code is very shorter because you are working in the programming sector. If you write some person writes the if you write 10 line of code and some person is eager to write in the 5 line that their work will be appreciated, which because they have written the fewer lines of code in the 5 lines, 5 line. Okay, because shorter line of codes are always appreciated among the team. Okay, it's error which is easy to understand and debug. It has built-in libraries for the beginners like random RE OS, which are used for fundamental. Suppose beginners they don't have so much idea. They want to start their programming career. So how they will learn? They start learning from the Python because they have not done any degree C++, Java, that they are forced the college they will learn and all that practical session will be there. Error messages are easy to understand and debug. Experience learning, experienced person it is easy for career transition. Suppose if you want to get update and upskill your the artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, so you can move to the Python. You have industrial experience of having code in C, C++, Java, C Sharp, any programming language. So if you are for industry, this programming language is the trend and mostly applications are built. So you can adopt this. So there is no nothing for you to difficult while adopting this programming language. High of demand in emerging technology like data science, machine learning, and cloud computing. It is an open source programming language. So it is help to integrate with AI projects for the software. Because what happened earlier, the any experienced person, the programming can troubleshoot the error. They are just checking the right, copying the error code and pasting it to Google for the solution. But with the help of artificial intelligence, they can write into the chat GPT or anything. So they chat GPT, Grok, and DeepSeek. So they will just give you ways to write this code like this in order for the correct output. So they are helping. So it saves you time also, the dependency on the human for someone goes to the some experienced person and asking their time in the office also senior person. Sometimes they are able to uh, explain you in detail, and sometimes they are not helping you. So what to do? Now you can dependent on the artificial. Earlier, what happened? The students are relying on the Google here for their now. Right now, artificial that is chat, rock, and DeepSeek, the other tools. So what are the famous application which is built using Python? YouTube is the world largest video selling platform. Use its features of video streaming and backend services using the Python. Instagram is a popular social platform which is also used for scaling and handling millions of users using the Python. Spotify is also using the Python for backend service and machine learning for personalizing the music recommend. Suppose anyone, any person wants the Lata Mangeshkar song, someone wants the Kishore Kumar song. So according to that, he is recommending the song also. If he uh, uh, listens one music of Kishore, that Spotify will recommend the other uh, song of Kishore Kumar, other. So according to this Python one, the Dropbox actually in the IT companies due to the evolving cloud computing technologies, they are giving the email ID and password. So all the data are saved. In the case of system crash, anything, all the data are saved into this Dropbox. So we use for the desktop client and server side operation. Netflix, it use this programming tool for engine for their build engine and content delivery system. Google, it's used for web crawling, testing, and data analysis. Uber is also used. Suppose as if you want travel 1 kilometer, rate is 50 kilometer, 50 pence. If you travel 2 kilometer, rate is 100 kilometer. If you travel 3 kilometer, rate is 150 kilometer. If you travel 4 kilometer, rate is 200. According to that, the Uber app, whatever the distance as per the GPS, so machine also learn how to calculate and what will the cost of the travel, this type of kilometer, number of kilometers. So all the communication was the Python. Instead, suppose large amount of data is efficient process, so interest is used. Okay. So when to use Python? It works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, and as well. The syntax is simple, which is similar to the English language. It helps the programmer to write a program with like of code as compared to the other programming language. It can be treated as procedure where functional and object-oriented, which support multi-programming paradigms. However, it's versatile. It runs on an integrated system in which code can be executed as soon as it's written and prototyping very fast. Some good information to remember. Latest version of Python is 3 and Python is not updated with the security update. Python will be written in text editor. It is possible to write the Python code in the integrated development environment like PyCharm, NetBeans, Gibbs Thorny for managing the large collection of Python files. Which why Python syntax is compared to other programming languages was designed for readability. It is similar like English language. It is mostly influenced from mathematics to programming in nature. It uses new lines to complete a command which is really opposed by many programming languages. It often uses semicolon or brackets. relies on identification, which is using a white space to define a scope such as group function classes. Other programming use curly bracket for this purpose. Suppose if you want to declare earlier variable declare is there, variable assignment is there. Right out there is no one to declare anything. You can directly assign the value. So Python is very simple. Okay. So print hello world. So print is a built-in function in the Python which tells, just like in Java, we write system dot out written and ln. So if for the output, sir, in the Python we write 10 to display the output. So here the output is hello world. Features, it is used easy to learn most programming language daytime. It has high level data structures. Once you know the high level data structures, so it is easier for the logic to build high. If you are strong in level data structure, more logic to understand. Suppose object-oriented programming concept. You can elegant syntax and dynamic together with repeated nature makes it ideal language for this. It is integrated and extensive standard library are freely available in source or binding file for all major platforms, which is available on Python official website. It is easily extended with new function and data types which you implement in C or C++. It is suitable as extension language for customizable application. It is used in science computing such as Skype and SciPy, which are libraries. It is open source, which is free to distribute and modified. Is beginner friendly programming language to simple and readable concepts. It supports cross program platform capability like Windows, Macintosh, and Linux. It has extensive library for doing the tasks like web development, data analysis, and machine learning. It provides a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. File is saved with the extension .py. Okay, I hope that this is clear for you. If you have any doubt, please comment in the section or please subscribe my YouTube channel for the more updates. Thank you.